Hello people, welcome back to Office Craft Pro. Today, we are going to master XLOOKUP and Pivot Tables. Let's go pro! To follow along, make sure you have two sheets ready in one workbook. Name the first one Sales Log. This is where your daily sales are. Name the second one Directory. This is where your product prices live. If you don't have this data yet, check the description box for the sample list I created for you. Let's pull the price for our first item. Click on cell E2. First type the equal sign. This tells Excel we are starting a formula. Now type XLOOKUP, all one word. Click on cell B2. This is the product ID for that row. You will see B2 appear in the cell. Now type comma. This is like hitting the next button. Now click the tab at the bottom for your directory sheet. Click and drag to highlight the product IDs in that sheet, that is cell A2 to A6. While that range is still highlighted, we need to lock it. On Mac, press Command plus T, and if you are using Windows, then press F4. You will see $signs appear. This locks the list so it doesn't shift when we drag the formula later. Type another comma. Now highlight the price column in the directory, that is cell C2 to C6. Press Command plus T or F4 again to lock this range too. Finally, type the closing parenthesis and hit enter. Look at that, Excel searched the other sheet and found the price. Now hover over that tiny green square at the bottom right of cell E2 until your cursor turns into a thin black plus sign. Double click it. Now see, every row is now filled with the correct price instantly. To get a total, click cell F2. Type equal to. Click the units sold, that is cell C2. Type the asterisk for multiplication. Then click the price we just found, that is cell E2, and hit enter. Double click that green corner again to fill the whole column. Now we have names too. Data is ready for analysis. Now for the Office Craft magic. Click anywhere in your data. Go to Insert, then click on Pivot Table and hit OK. On the right, look at your fields. Because we used XLOOKUP, we now have product name right here. Drag the product name into the rows box and drag the total revenue into the value box. Excel just did hours of manual math in 2 seconds. Let's finish the dashboard. Click inside your pivot table, then go to Pivot Table Analyze and click Insert Slicer. Select region and hit OK. Now you can filter your sales by north, south, east or west with one click. This is what is called professional, clean and fast. And there you have it, your first automated pro dashboard. Today, you didn't just use Excel. You mastered the logic that 90% of office workers never learn. You mastered XLOOKUP, cell locking, and the power of pivot tables. If this video saved you even 1 hour of work, please hit that like button. It helps other pros like you find this channel. I have a question for you. Which of these pro moves was your favorite? The magic of XLOOKUP or the interactive slicer? Let me know in the comments. This is Office Craft Pro and I'll see you in the next masterclass where we are going to use AI to build these exact reports for us in seconds.